Okay, so now it's time to install this wig from LUVME Hair. It comes with a sewn in elastic band, and I'm showing you guys how this is glueless, and also the lace is undetectable, so you can go ahead and move it however you want. This is a 5x5 lace closure. Again, the lace is HD undetectable lace, so it's super realistic looking. As you can see, I just lifted it, and you can go ahead and add in your got to be glued after. It's just super nice. Like, I was actually surprised about how this turned out, because I didn't have to do too much to apply it. It's really good for people that are beginners and that really don't know how to apply their wigs. You don't even have to do baby hairs. Like, this is going to be a baby hair free tutorial for today's video. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the installation. Hey everyone, so I got this hair that I'm wearing right now from LUVME Hair. They sent me their undetectable 5x5 lace closure wig, no baby hairs whatsoever. So this is kind of like a close-up of what that's looking like in natural lighting. As you can see, it's like, it's super realistic. It's really hard to tell where everything is as far as the hairline, but you don't need to have any baby hairs. I kind of showed you on camera how to like lift it up and put it back on, but this is literally just got to be glued, which is nice. This is the box that it also came in. It's really pretty. Let me see what they put inside of here. So your hair journey. This is the little satchel it comes with. It comes with wig caps and comes with a little scarf to kind of like lay your baby hairs down. And it also comes with a baby hair brush, which we're not going to use for this video because we're doing it without baby hairs. And then I think this is a wallet that they gave me. Pretty interesting. Yeah, so this is their 14-inch unit as well. Again, the lace goes from here to here, and then there's like combs on the top and on the sides, so you can go ahead and like do it however you wish. Let me get into the pricing of this wig as well. This is their kinky curly neck length, 14 inches. Undetectable lace wig with a natural hairline. Now in the photo here it shows that you can do baby hairs if you want, but in this video we're not doing that. It's super realistic how this undetectable lace is. It goes really pretty far back, like all the way here, but I don't want to mess up what I just did. Yeah, and the hair also is extremely soft. I also added hair mousse to it and water to define the curls. They're just really, really pretty. So yeah. Oh, the price of this wig is only $169.90. So, and you can do Afterpay as well. Each payment is gonna be $42.48. This is definitely not a bad price for this wig, you guys. It's really, really cool, like how they did this, and it looks realistic. I would probably pluck just a little bit more, but if you go up close, you really can't see anything. Like the lace is really, really good. I didn't have to put any like foundation on it or anything like that, and it turned out really nice. Again, the texture of the hair is beautiful, and it's also extremely soft, which is cool. I was actually surprised when I saw how realistic it looked, even though it didn't have to necessarily be a 13x6 unit. Usually like those are my go-to. I don't normally go for like lace closures, like 4x4, 6x6, 5x5, but if it's undetectable lace, I think I could honestly handle it. I could do it, especially if it's curly. I feel like for straighter wigs, it looks a bit less realistic, but if it's curly hair, even like the part where there's no lace, you can still kind of fake it because it still kind of blends in with your sideburns if you have any, which I kind of do. And my sideburns are curly because I have natural hair, so it kind of just blends in with how that's supposed to look. By the way, I have a new chair, so I'm in that right now. They already pre-bleached the knots for you. It goes back up to here actually, which is pretty far back. And let me look at the density and see how much it is. It feels like pretty thick. Okay, it's 180% density. It's glueless. You don't need any skills to be able to literally to lay this down. It's very beginner friendly. Real HD lace, super realistic, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, and very low maintenance. It's really good for summertime, especially if you're planning on just wearing something like where it's not too hot. It's very light and airy whenever you're wearing this. It's not super heavy. It doesn't make you feel hot. My apartment is hot right now, but like this doesn't make it any worse. My other wigs that I'm wearing that are longer and that are straight are, you know, it's pretty terrible to wear in this heat in Texas right now, but this isn't bad. Yeah, the delivery time is 4 to 6 business days. Free shipping worldwide by express, and yeah, you can use Afterpay to split into 4 separate payments. And yeah, this is just their natural hair color. So they also have it in different hair textures, which I think is really cool. I love this photo of how this other person wore it. It looks so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just how it looks without me putting it behind my ear. This is cute. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I think you guys might like this a lot. It's really cheap. It's very affordable, $100 and something for something where it is super, you know, defined and realistic looking to your scalp. Like it's very low maintenance to have to wear this in the summertime and just put this on. Like this is actually really nice. I'm gonna zoom in before we go. Again, this is the hairline. Look how realistic that looks. I'm going to put the link down to this unit below for y'all to go ahead and check out. Be sure to go ahead and check out LUVME Hair. I'm sure they have more units like this that are in different textures as well that you can go ahead and check out. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.